Enter your IKEA Alien, Part 3. IKEA Alien video info. This video is very random. Don't leave them on the floor.
I'm so lonely.
They will be depressed. Don't leave them alone. They will, well, just watch. Don't throw them above a pool of lava.
Yay!
This could happen.
Not paying enough for this.
Now tell me, why in the world would you throw them in lava? Lastly for today, aliens love to dance, so sometimes they escape to a disco club.
Go tables! Oh yeah! Go tables! Yeah!
Bye bye.